Here's some magnitude scale trivia. Subscribe. What scale measures earthquake's intensity? Is it A, Richter scale, B, energy dispersion scale, C, ground reaction index, or D, earthquake measurement standard? The correct answer is A, Richter scale. Who developed the moment magnitude scale? Is it A, Thomas C. Hanks, B, John Paulson, C, Richard Feynman, or D, Charles Richter? The correct answer is A, Thomas C. Hanks. What is the maximum value on the Richter scale? Is it A, 9.8, B, 12C, no limit, or D, 10? The correct answer is C, no limit. Which scale is most commonly used now? Is it A, Richter scale, B, modified Mercalli scale, C, moment magnitude scale, or D, Fujita scale? The correct answer is C, moment magnitude scale. What was the largest recorded earthquake? Is it A, San Francisco quake, B, Chilean earthquake, C, Japan earthquake, or D, Aleppo earthquake? The correct answer is B, Chilean earthquake. Which earthquake had a magnitude of 9.5? Is it A, Haiti earthquake, B, Valdivia earthquake, C, San Francisco quake, or D, Kobe earthquake? The correct answer is B, Valdivia earthquake. Which magnitude scale is used for small quakes? Is it A, modified Mercalli intensity, B, local magnitude scale, C, moment magnitude scale, or D, Richter scale? The correct answer is B, local magnitude scale. What magnitude is considered a major earthquake? Is it A, 5.0, B, 4.7 or higher, or D, 6.5? The correct answer is C, 7.0 or higher. What is the significance of a 2.0 magnitude? Is it A, generally not felt, B, minor quake, C, major earthquake, or D, generally felt? The correct answer is A, generally not felt. Which country had the 1950 Himalaya earthquake? Is it A, China, B, Nepal, C, Bhutan, or D, India? The correct answer is D, India. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.